Welcome to JobSkillshare.com. This lab is about naming switch or router. So if you go to the left side and click on this right here, you'll see name switch or router. Once you click on it, basically you'll see the same video. I am going to upload it right here, and then you guys can reply and if you have any questions to it. So I'm going to go to the switch first. I'm in the switch right now. I'm going to enter. So you guys see that, let me take it up a little bit. You guys see that there's a name JSS. I am going to change that name. As soon as you start your switch, this is basically the first thing you guys see. You click enter, you see JSS. Now I want to change this on a switch and give it a different name. What I will do is I'll first type enable. That will take you to a different mode. Now you see, guys, if you see this pound sign, that means now you can do a little bit more than just that little arrow. Okay, so to change the switch name, you have to type config T, that means config terminal. So now you see that you have another bracket and then config bracket. Now you can basically change the name of this switch. Type hostname and then you just type whatever you want to name your switch. So hostname JobSkillshare. As you click enter, there you go, JobSkillshare. And now if I exit out, exit all the way out, I see JobSkillshare is a switch name. You do want to save it though, but this is how you change the switch name. Now let's go to router. Now if I go to router right now, it's the same commands. Click enter, click enable. Now you see that changed. I want to type config T. Now that also changed and the brackets basically came up. Now it tells you you have more permissions. You have global permissions to change anything on this router. So now type hostname and I'm going to type JobSkillshare router. Now you see it gave me an error. Why? Because I put a space in there, and it tells you it has a nice way that it takes and it will point out where you did a mistake. So I'm just going to type JobSkill router. Okay, why did it do this? Now let's go back. Okay, here's a mistake that I did. I didn't type host name in there. So you see, guys, it will tell you where you guys are doing mistakes in there. So if first I did a host name here and then I did a space and then router. Now let's try with a host name and then job skill router. It took that. So you gotta type host name space and whatever you want to give. So if you don't type it, it will tell you exactly where you're doing mistakes, which is a neat thing about this. And then I do exit, and I see job skill router. So that was a short lab of how to name a switch and a router, and I'll see you guys in a different lab. Thank you. Bye bye.